restaurant quality food in the comforts of your own home for a fraction of the price. We're winning. Hey y'all, so today I am here with a what I eat video. I am really excited about this one because I'm going to show y'all a recipe that I've been making quite a lot lately. First up, for lunch, because y'all know I'm intermittent fasting, I am making this. It's called like a Copycat Chipotle burrito bowl, and I saw this guy on Instagram making it. He used chicken, but of course y'all know I'm plant-based, so I'm going to use tofu. My little cheat sheet here, this is what I use to make everything. It's quite a lot of steps because you have to make all the different components that go into the burrito bowl. Mostly there's a lot of cilantro and there's a lot of lime and some lemon. It's going to take about 30 minutes to prepare everything, so let's go ahead and make lunch. So fresh and delicious, and you get the added benefit of being proud of yourself for making something that's similar to what you would buy at a restaurant. And of course, I like to mix everything together so I can get a little bit of all the flavors in every bite. I do want to mention though, the original guy that I saw on Instagram, I believe he actually used to work at Chipotle. He used adobo, is it adobo sauce? Adobo seasoning on his chicken. I do not have that, so I've been using this herby harissa seasoning, and I'm glad I did because it goes so good in this. And also he does have a written recipe on his site. I'm gonna link it below for those of you that want measurements and everything, but I'm not the type of person that cooks with measurements, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Oh my goodness, let me take one bite on camera because this can get a little messy. I don't want to like chew in your face, but this might just be my best bowl I've made. It is so good, y'all. I wish I could like give you a taste test. It's so good. Last week I had this craving for chocolate ice cream bar, kind of like those Magnum ones where they're vanilla on the inside and like a chocolate outer layer with some nuts on it. And I was gonna try to buy some because I do believe they sell them. They have vegan versions. But then I was like, I think I have some ingredients in the house where I can make something similar. So I did that. I made them and they were an absolute hit. So I'm making them again tonight. So this will be ready in time for my before bed snack because I like to have a little something as I wind down. Just a few ingredients. I have some bananas. I'm going to be using unsweetened almond milk. Got some peanut butter. Also going to be sweetening it a little bit more with some dates. Good natural sweetener. Going to add a little bit of salt in there. Blend it all up, get it nice and creamy. Pour it into these popsicle molds, and then I take some chocolate. Right now I'm using this 85% dark chocolate. I melt this down with a bit of coconut oil, and I also add some maple syrup to this because this is very, very bitter. Drizzle it on top of the bars, and then I'm gonna add some crushed peanuts on it as well. I like that crunch. So let me go ahead and put this together so they can set. Dinner tonight, I'm going to be making these crab cakes. I saw this menu picture from a seafood restaurant. They had a crab cake on a bed of asparagus, and I believe they had some type of sauce around it and potatoes on the bottom, mashed potatoes. So I figured I would recreate that. I actually have a crabless cake recipe in my cookbook. Here it is. But I just looked in the pantry. I don't have all the ingredients for the official recipe, so I'm about to freestyle this a little bit and just make it work with what I have. So I'm gonna hope for the best. I think it'll be fine though. You cannot tell me this right here doesn't look official. I did fudge this top part up here because on the picture it had like, I don't know, some type of greenery. I want to say it was fresh parsley. I don't have parsley in here, but I do have some like slaw mix. So I put some at the top. I don't think I'm going to actually eat this little part up here, but it looks pretty. And I also just threw together a homemade tartar sauce that I used to top my crab cake. I haven't eaten it yet. Let's go ahead and try this freestyled vegan crab cake. Let me get a little bit of the potatoes on here. Y'all, I need to stop playing and open up a restaurant because texture is great. It's very dense. It's like a real lump crab cake, but without the crab. Flavors. That Old Bay. That Old Bay. Literally cannot get any better than this. Restaurant quality food in the comforts of your own home for a fraction of the price. Bloop. We're winning. I'm going so fast, y'all. I bit my lip. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna slow down, finish my plate, and I'll see y'all later.